Hey, it's Lisa. Hope you're having a wonderful day. If you lose, damage, or never receive your Florida Medicaid card, you can request a replacement through the Florida Department of Children and Families, DCF. The fastest option is usually through your MyACCESS account. Log in, verify your personal information and mailing address, and request a replacement card. Many recipients can also print a temporary Medicaid card directly from their MyACCESS account while waiting for the new card to arrive. You can also request a replacement by phone by calling DCF Customer Service at 1-866-762-2237. Be prepared to provide your name, date of birth, social security number, Medicaid ID number, if available, and current mailing address. DCF will mail a replacement card to the address on file. If you need additional assistance, you may visit a local DCF office with identification and proof of address. This can be helpful if you have trouble accessing your MyACCESS account or need to update your information. Most replacement cards arrive within 1 to 3 weeks, depending on processing and mail delivery times. If your card was stolen, request a replacement as soon as possible and review your Medicaid records for any unauthorized activity. For more Florida Medicaid information, visit Ask Medicaid Florida's Replacement Card Guide. Thanks for watching.